Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. Troy Does Math, a chill video series where I do math and talk about it so you can see how I think. Here we go. Alright, today I'm looking at some problems with operations on imaginary numbers. Just to get to practice working with them. So here we go. Oh, hey, that one's not bad. If A equals -3 and B equals the opposite of I, then A cubed times B would be -3 cubed times the opposite of I. So there are 4 negatives there. 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's going to end up being positive. And 3 cubed is 27. 3 times 3 times 3. So 27I. Alright, now I've never tried submitting an imaginary number with this, so let's see if all I do is type in 27I. It always scares me. Ah, all right, not a bad first problem. Let's try another one. Cool. All right, I just wanted to do one that had like a binomial here. So, if A equals -3 minus I, and B equals 4x, what is A squared B? All right, so -3 minus I squared times 4x. Okay, so the perfect square trinomial pattern is that if you take A plus B quantity squared, and I know I could foil this, I know, but if I memorize the pattern now, then when I need it in a week, I'll still remember it. How about that? So it's A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So if we do the same thing, this would be 9. That's it'd be plus 6I, and then it would be plus I squared times 4x. So I guess this has to go in parentheses, and it's going to be 8 plus 6I times 4x, which is 32x plus 24ix, I guess. Let's see if it likes that. And then I need to pause for a second because my dog is ringing the bells to go outside. 32x plus 24ix. Ooh, I hope that's right. Oh, good. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go let my dog out. Okay, I'm back. My dog was really excited to go outside. So I want to find one that's a little bit more fun, or I'll move on to a different type of problem. Oh, okay, this one's nice. It helps us remember our powers of I. So if A equals -3I, and folks, I really don't preview these problems much ahead of time, so that these problems really are new to me. And by folks, I mean the 3 of you that watch this. Okay, I want to find A cubed times B. Okay, so A cubed is going to be -3I cubed sorry, negative 3i cubed times negative 1 plus 5i. I just realized that when I look at that screen, all you see is the side of my face, and then you probably can't hear me because, you know, the microphone's right here. So I'm going to try to remember to look at this screen. Okay, so this is negative 3 cubed, which is negative 27, times I cubed. And then I'll distribute that in a second. So I cubed is the same thing as the opposite of I. So this is really negative 27 times the opposite of I times, you know, stuff. That was Mrs. Troy calling. I'll call her back in just a second. So this is 27 times negative 1 plus 5i, which is negative 27, and then that would be plus 135, I guess. Okay, that one was a bit more fun. Let's see if I got it right. I always get so nervous. I mean, I guess I could just edit the video. That would work too. And let's see. Oh! My first one wrong. What did I do? Oh, how terribly silly. Oh my goodness. All right, it's so obvious. Look what I did here. Oh, ugh. And I was going to end with that one. I can't end with that one if I got it wrong. All right, so. Oh, so obvious. I said negative 27 times the opposite of I is 27. There's still an I here. Come on, Troy. So that's going to give me negative 27i. Well, I guess the answer is right there next to me. Plus 135i squared, which is negative 135 minus 27i. Ah! Okay, that's okay. You know what we do when we fall down? We pick ourselves up, dust ourselves off, and try again. Well, I don't want an easy one. All right, come on, give me a tough one. Oh, that's the same one, I think, or pretty much. Okay, we'll do this one. And then that'll have to be it. Hope you don't mind. But this time, I'm going to check my answer ahead of time. I'm going to get it right. Okay. A equals 5, negative 5i. There's a great way to get it wrong. And B equals 2 minus 3i. See, this screen's smaller, so either I look off to the side or I kind of like lean in real close. It's weird. Okay, microphone out of the way. So A, negative 5i, so I want A, B squared, and B is 2 minus 3i. Okay, so negative 5i times, so 4 minus 12i plus 9i squared, which is negative 5. So that's going to give me 25i plus 60i squared, or negative 60 plus 25i. Now, I'm like really concerned about this because I got one wrong, so I got to make sure I did it right. Okay, so first of all, did I write down the problem correctly? Yeah, negative 5i, 2 minus 3i. Did I write down the prompt correctly? A times b squared, negative 5i, times 2 minus 3i quantity squared. Did I square that correctly? 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Then this becomes 4 minus 9, so that's negative 5. Multiply 25i plus 60i squared. Okay, I think it's right. Let's put in an answer and put me out of my misery, as they say. Negative 60 plus 25i. Let's see. Now I'm really nervous. Oh, jubilation. All right, there we go. Hope you enjoyed, or that was calm or whatever. I actually got really stressed there, so hang in there.